Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to create and animate text in After Effects. Creating text in After Effects is very simple and straightforward. Create a new composition in After Effects. Click on the text tool and click anywhere to type in the text, or click and drag around to create a text box. To edit your text content, simply double-click on the text in the preview window. To edit the fonts and other character options, you'll need the character and paragraph dialog boxes. If you can't see those, you can enable them in Window, Character, and Paragraph. These panels work the same as Photoshop or any other application with text editing capabilities. Animating text in After Effects can be rather tricky. We'll cover using text animation presets that come with After Effects. If you can't see Effects and Presets, go to Window, Effects and Presets. In the Effects and Presets, go to Animation Presets, Text. Here you have all kinds of animation presets. Drag any of these onto your text layer and voila! Now, to adjust the length of the animation and where it starts or stops, simply select the text layer and press U to show all animated keyframes. Drag the keyframes around to choose when the animation happens. You can drag the in point or the out point to further lengthen or shorten the animation. You can also drag the first keyframe past the second one to make the animation go the other way around. As always, to render the composition, go to Composition, add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. Wait for Media Encoder to load in your composition and choose H.264 and match source high bitrate. Press the green play button to start the encoding. After that, you can click on the file URL to open it. After Effects tends to be a very complicated software with a lot of things needing to be done manually. However, Adobe includes a lot of animation presets for text, which is a very welcome addition and can help us get great results in a matter of minutes. What's your favorite text animation? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.